Goa Institute of Management embarked on its journey with just one classroom at VM Salgaonkar College of Law and has garnered a rating of 4.3 on Shiksha.com. How's the PGDM program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with 3.9 star rating for placements. Let's delve into what students have to say. According to the official data, a remarkable 100% placement rate was recorded in 2023. Top companies including Microsoft, Aditya Birla Capital, Accenture, ACT FiberNet and many others visited the campus, offering roles such as sales manager, financial analyst, risk analyst, data analyst and more. The highest and median package offered stood at 55 lakh per annum and 14.7 lakh per annum respectively. Taking a look at the year-on-year trend, there has been approximately 47% growth in median packages since 2020-2021. Comparing the median packages of GIM with similarly NIRF ranked and established tier institutions such as Great Lakes Institute of Management and Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, one can observe that median salary offered at GIM is rather favorable. Speaking of internships, the highest and the median stipends offered to students were 3 lakh and 70,000 respectively. GIM offers a 2-year full-time post-graduation program with a total intake of 300 students. Admission to the program is granted through CAT, XAT, CMAT and GMAT. Looking at the CAT's closing cutoff, one can observe a slight increase in the competition level in 2023 compared to 2022. Comparing GIM with Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham Coimbatore, it appears that it is tougher to secure a seat at GIM than in AVV, although Amrita enjoys a similar NIRF rank. The total tuition fees for PGDM amount to around 18.31 lakhs for the 2-year program. GIM offers scholarships to 45 students, each worth 5 lakhs for the PGDM program, contingent upon the academic performance and conduct of the awardee. Let's switch gears to the 4.6 rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. GIM sprawls across 50 acres of an eco-friendly campus featuring well-equipped labs, modern classrooms, well-stocked library and an Atal incubation center. The campus also offers amenities like a food court and hangout zone. For sports and fitness, GIM provides facilities such as swimming pool, badminton court, basketball court, football field, table tennis and volleyball court. Additionally, there is an indoor fitness center with cardio and weights training machines. Accommodation is available for both boys and girls with shared living spaces ensuring clean and secure facilities. Accommodation for first-year students involves sharing a non-AC room, while second-year students are provided with single non-AC rooms. The mess facilities serve 4 meals a day with satisfactory taste. Shifting gears to the faculty and course curriculum, which has received 4.1 stars from students. Students have noted that all teachers are highly qualified and experienced with graduates from prestigious institutions such as Stanford, IITs and IIMs, many of whom possess significant industry exposure. While the course curriculum aligns with industry standards, adjustments are needed. GIM's international exchange partnerships have significantly strengthened, now reaching double digits. This provides enhanced opportunities for faculty and students to engage in international consulting boot camps, study tours, and other global exposure events. Now moving on to campus life, where GIM has received a 4.7 star rating. Students have access to over 21 clubs and societies, including the Leadership Club, Finance Club, Creative Club, and many more. Additionally, throughout the year, GIM hosts TEDx events, seminars, and conferences, along with Ribandar talks featuring motivational speakers and the annual function. Various cultural events, freshers' parties, convocations, farewells, musical festivals. Speaking of NIRF rank, GIM Goa has secured a 33rd spot, climbing 3 ranks since last year. For more details on GIM Goa and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.